Welcome back to Math Masters. We can save a lot of time in doing calculations if we know some numbers are divisible by some numbers. In this video, we are going to discover how to check whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6 or by 9 without using a calculator. So let's get started. It is very easy to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. We just need to check whether the number is even or not. For example, let's take 824. We know that it's an even number, so we can say this is divisible by 2. For your reference, we can say any number that is ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, all these belongs to even number. We can easily recognize a even number if the number is ending with these 5 digits. So if a number to be divisible by 2, we just need to check whether it is even or not. Now let's look at how to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. Here also we just need to check whether the digital root of a number is 3, 6 or 9. In case you don't know what is the digital root, it's better to watch the video in the top right corner, which we discuss about the digital root of a number. It is very easy to find the digital root of a number. For example, let's take 785. What we just have to do is add all the digits 7, 8 and 5, which will result 20. And we know 2 plus 0 again will give us 2. So the digital root of this number is 2. It is not equal to 3, 6 or 9. So in this case, 785 is not divisible by 3. Let's take another example. Let's take the number 21,132. If we take the digital index, if we take the digital root of this number, the addition of numbers will give us 9. So it is divisible by 3. It doesn't matter in which order the numbers are. So we will rearrange these numbers 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. Again, this has the same digital root of 9. So it doesn't matter. You might be surprising seeing this. So it is very easy for us to check whether a number is divisible by 3 by checking the digital root of that number. If the digital root is equal to 3, 6 or 9, yeah, definitely that number is divisible by 3. This is a very easy step. All of you know how to check whether a number is divisible by 5. If you check all the multiples of 5, all those are ending with 0 and 5. So that means if any number ends with 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5. And any other number that doesn't have that feature, that is not divisible by 5. For example, let's take 245. This is divisible by 5. But if we take 246, the ending is 6, that is not equal to 5, or 0, so it is not divisible by 5. To check whether a number is divisible by 6, it's good to know whether a number is divisible by 2 and 3. That means if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, for sure that number gets divided by 6. But keep in mind, it should be divided by both 2 and 3. If we summarize again how to check whether a number is divisible by 6, what we need to check is the number is even, which means it is divisible by 2. Then check whether it is divisible by 3. For example, let's take 732. If we add all these, we know that this number is an even number. So this is divisible by 2. If we find the digital root of this number by adding the numbers, we will have 12. Again, we add 1 and 2. We will have 3. Which means this number is divisible by 3. So we can clearly say 732 is divisible by 6 also. We can easily check whether a number is divisible by 9 or not by checking out the digital root of that number. For example, let's take 733. If we take the digital root of this number, we can have 7 plus 3 plus 3, which will give us 13, and by adding 1 and 3, again we are getting 4. So the digital root of 733 is 4, which means it does not divisible by 9. To be it is divisible by 9, the digital root should be equal to 9. Again, let's think 522. In this number, the digital root is 9, so this number is divisible by 9. Let's take a larger number, 7326. In this case, the number index we are getting 18, that means 9. So this number also divisible by 9. So in this case, the digital root of this number is 9, so it is divisible by 9. In any case, if you are having a digital root other than 9, that means that number is not divisible by 9. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more concepts of maths videos.